Stop scrolling. Seriously, you're using ChatGPT wrong. Today, I'm about to reveal 5 insane ChatGPT tricks that almost nobody knows about. These aren't just party tricks. They'll save you hours, boost your income, and totally change how you work in 2025. And the best part, anyone can do this. You don't need a computer science degree. You just need curiosity. Stick around for Trick Hash 5. It's my personal favorite, and honestly, a total game changer. All right, let's dive in. Trick Hash 1, mental model generator. Most people treat ChatGPT like a smarter Google, but it's way more. Try this. Ask it to give you a mental model for learning coding fast. Watch how it breaks things down. Understanding basics, focus practice, feedback loops, building projects. You can use this for literally any skill: business, fitness, public speaking. Whatever you want to master, ChatGPT can help you build a roadmap. Trick Hash 2, expert debate simulator. Here's a prompt. Simulate a debate between Elon Musk and Bill Gates on AI safety. Instantly, you get both sides of the argument laid out clearly. Whether you're a creator, student, researcher, or making business decisions, this trick helps you see blind spots and build stronger ideas. Heck, I use it to brainstorm my own YouTube scripts. Trick Hash 3, reverse engineer content. So it's got a blog post? Ask ChatGPT to turn it into 5 viral tweets, or a video script, or an Instagram carousel. This is how marketers are pumping out endless content across every platform. You create once, then multiply it everywhere. Trick Hash 4, simulate future product launch. Try this. Imagine my YouTube channel is crushing it in 3 years. What does it look like? ChatGPT paints a picture of your success, then shows you the steps to get there. This is huge for entrepreneurs, creators, startups, anyone setting big goals. It's like having a cheat code for your own future. And now Trick Hash 5, the algorithm whisperer prompt. Tell ChatGPT, act as a YouTube growth expert. Analyze my niche and give me viral ideas. Clickable titles, high retention formats, and perfect SEO descriptions. Suddenly, you've got a personal YouTube consultant. 24/7. I literally use this exact prompt to create the video you're watching right now. All right, if you found even one of these tricks mind-blowing, do me a favor, subscribe, like, and drop a comment telling me which trick you're trying first. And don't forget to turn on notifications for weekly AI secrets. Remember, AI isn't the future. It's already here. Let's use it smart and let it work for you.